Hello everyone, I'm Marine.
Hello, I am Julian.
And we are here today to show you the efficiency of our single-pair Ethernet connectivity solution. The heart of the system is a certified single-pair Ethernet cable, terminated on both ends by a Minimax connector. Then, on each side, we use an adapter that translates the single-pair Ethernet signal, generated by a single-pair Ethernet PHY, into an Ethernet signal readable by computers. Today, we are doing two live demonstrations. In the first one, my computer here reads a 300 megaoctets video from Julian's computer,
While my computer reads another 300 megaoctets video on Marine's.
The video flow is indeed easily transmitted via our single-pair Ethernet link in both directions simultaneously. In the second demonstration, we measure the data transmission rate of predefined bit streams. My computer will be a client, while Julian's computer will be a server. The client will send data, while the server will receive them and measure the transmission rate of the bit streams. We expect a speed of around 100 megabits per second, as defined by the PHY we are using. As you will notice, we are achieving only 94 megabits per second, which is expected due to the additions to the SPE link itself. With these two demonstrations, we show that our single-pair Ethernet connectivity system indeed reaches the expected performances. That is, a bidirectional data transfer at a high transmission rate.